The board called for a QS, a quantity surveyor from Nakuru, a government quantity surveyor from Nakuru. Single-handedly, he came out with a compensation plan amounting to 99 million shillings. Shadrach will give the figures. Among how they have split that money, the repairs were to cost around 69 million shillings, and the teachers to be compensated by 30 million shillings. The teachers are claiming some of them lost properties worth 30 million shillings. For record purposes, I'm a former teacher and I know the salary they can have. That, when the parents received that, they demanded to be given those scientific BQs. The school refused to give them the BQs by the quantity surveyor. The parents refused. Unilaterally, again, the QS and the principal reviewed the amount downwards to now from 99 million to 69 million to 62 million. Here, each student is to pay over 49,000 shillings for repair. The parents are asking the total cost of all the infrastructure of the school, plus the toilets, plus the grass, everything, plus the trees, will not be more than 100 million. How will the damage be more than the actual inventory of the school itself? Number two, the parents are seeking, and they have instructed us to move to the High Court immediately to get an inventory of what assets the school owned, what assets were destroyed, and the parents have proposed from their own assessment that every student is supposed to pay 10,000 shillings. These teachers want to exploit the children, and that is why we are moving to court immediately to stop the exploitation of these children. Third term is a term for a national examination. The Form 4s are being told in the return to work program, the school is saying Form 2s to come to school early. Then after a week, Form 3 to come. The Form 4s who are candidates are now being told to come last. When will they prepare for their examination? This is a national crisis. We shall be moving to court in the next 20-30 minutes to get a reprieve for these children. Article 53 of the Constitution protects the rights of education for the minors. Basic education is a constitutional right, and we shall be seeking EACC to investigate those 3 strikes, how the monies that were collected previously were used.